Hi everyone. Welcome to my term project. I'm Chang. As an international student in Miami University, this presenting topic is about the China's environment policy for the climate change. I chose this topic in the previous of the semester because I think that the strict environment situation that we were suffering right now or in the future could threaten human to live on the earth. Even though most of people are knowing about the environment protection, but just a few will take some action for doing environment protection in their daily life so that the role of the government become the significant promotion to supervise the whole society to work with the sustainable living condition, and the official government policy will be the most efficient approach to do so. So let's watch a video first. So that climate change is one of the most serious issues that will affect human living condition, which places a great deal of pressure on our society and environment. So that climate change also causes a lot of natural environment performance, such as global warming, acid deposition, and the ozone depletion. So that combined with our lecture, the greenhouse gases plays an important role to climate change. Greenhouse gases are naturally produced and can block some the sun rays from the reflecting back into space, making the Earth's temperature suitable for living and vital for the survival of human and millions of other species. So that, but right now, the greenhouse gases amount was rapidly increased by human activities such as industrialization, increase of population, economic development, and improvement of the living standards. So that those cause the global warming, which related with which just cause the melting glaciers and the sea level increase. And so that the effect of the climate change is have a really big impact on our human living. It not just affect the human living environment condition, but also have the effect on human health. So that climate change is really a big serious issue that we need to facing. So that in China, Chinese Chinese government also realized that the climate change is the big issue about the society development. So that in 21st century, China's government attached a great importance to the issue of the climate change, and the government of released China's national climate change program. So in this program, they have the opposite observation fact and trends of climate change in China. So that the report said that in the next 50 years, China's temperature and the amount of rainfall will still increase, and the frequency of extreme weather and climate change effect still increase. The coastal level will be continue to rise, and the glacier will be melting, and even some small glacier will disappear. In this report, we also can find that Chinese current data of the greenhouse gases emission. They said that the emission amount is decreased by those Chinese government limit policy to those pollution industry. So that Chinese climate change trend is basically consistent with the global trend. In response to climate change and promoting sustainable development, the Chinese government has adopted policy and measures to adjust climate change structures, improved energy efficiency, developed the hydropower and other renewable energy, which threaten the ecological construction and implement family planning, which makes a significant contribution for environment protection. Also, China have a lot of doing a lot of effort and achievement in mitigating climate change, such as China's government adjust the economic structures, advance the technological process, and improving energy efficiency. Also, China have developed low carbon energy and renewable energy improvement the energy structures. So that this article is about how China leads to the low carbon future with the stressing the industry structures and release those limitation policy to those industry to reduce the emission of the carbon dioxide. So also China have limit the city population by the law, so that most of Chinese family we just can only have one child. And also Chinese government support a lot of environment research and give the researchers a lot of reward based on their achievement for protecting the environment achievement. And also for the education part, most of students in the school that need to be learned with the environment protection.